At Mytee Products, tarps are our livelihood, which is why we carry special tape to repair slight damages. Before applying tape, you need to examine the tear and make sure that it's salvageable. Once that's done, clean the area on both sides of any dirt to make sure adhesion is solid. Next, take the end of the roll and pull out as much tape as you need to fully cover the tear. Then, pull out a strip at the exact same size so you can cover the other side. The tape is made out of vinyl and has a cover on the adhesive so you can work with it easily. When applying, apply pressure throughout the strip to make sure there are no creases or bubbles. If you make a mistake, you can peel the tape off carefully and try again. It's best to let the tape set a day or two before use so the adhesive can work properly. If our 2" by 16 foot roll isn't enough for your tear, we also carry 6" by 50 foot rolls. And on top of that, we carry red, white, and blue colored tape in both sizes to match your tarp color. Our tarp tape is sold by the roll, and you can get them today at myteeproducts.com.